Morning, everyone. I thought I would do a little balance around being human. There's so much going on in the world at the moment with Davos and the World Economic Forum, and Elon Musk is getting people to apply for jobs for all of his transhumanism stuff that he's wanting over the next dozen years. There's just lots and lots going on that are basically looking at humans. We're not enough. What can we do to get us to that next evolution? It's called the fourth industrial revolution, I think, where you can't even find a true human, that everyone is connected by computers and Wi-Fi, and that's why they need the 5G technology. So there's a lot of information on the World Economic Forum website, and they keep changing their advertisements because they keep copying so much flack, because there are people out there who actually like being human. And I remember doing a balance on someone several years ago, and it was with Sanu as the surrogate. And Sanu said at some point throughout there, it's fun to be a human. It's fun to be human. And I think because all this energy is changing and shifting on the planet at such a huge rate, like what a difference the world is now compared to a year ago, is just totally crazy. We have lost the ability to trust our immune systems, to trust our body, to trust ourselves, to be able to live in our beautiful world without fear. Fear of breathing our oxygen, fear of our immune system not functioning, fear of not being able to fight something that our bodies have had herd immunity to for generations. So it is fun to be a human. It is fun to be a human. It is fun to be a human. Like that in Robert Williams' movie, Hook. I do believe in fairies, I do believe in fairies, I do believe in humans, I do believe in humans. So I thought I would do it on being human. It makes me, and by the way, I don't give a toss if people want to put chips in their brain, like Elon Musk wants. I don't give a toss if they want to connect themselves up to the Wi-Fi so that their phones are in their head and not in their hand, because it's so much easier and you can ask Google anything and Google talks in your head. Hey, if people want to do that, go for your life. Just not my cup of tea. And I think that once again, as humans, we should have freedom and truth. And this should be out there for people to be discussing it. But people who are discussing anything that the elites are talking about are getting shut down. Davos, happening right now. It is fun to be a human. It is fun to be a human. It is fun to be a human. Are you okay being human? Maybe you're one of the people who can't wait for the chips to be in there. I know they started putting chips in the wrist, or those little micro doodads in Sweden a few years ago, and people love it. Swiping that, walking out of a restaurant, having their medical records on there if they choose. Whatever information they want to put on there, they can. Not my cup of tea, not my cup of tea. Okay, let's get into it. It is fun to be a human. It is fun to be a human. It is fun to be a human. Yeah, right, so there's a pain and punishment circuit in there. Possibly because it feels like things are happening so fast, we're potentially losing our choice of just being human. They're talking about AI and that connection of us to the Internet of all things. And I was 100% unaware of this a year ago. No one can love you more than you love yourself. We need to love ourselves as human beings. We need to love our friends and family as human beings. And we also need to love people and their choices. It is fun to be a human. It is fun to be a human. So I suspect the stress of this, it's so big at the moment because it's so, it's coming up on my feed everywhere. But then again, we know the energy on the internet expands what we're aware of. So once we're aware of something, we get more and more and more information. I am willing to feel the energy that is mine, and I let go of all that is not mine. It is fun to be a human, and it is fun to be a human. Fear, threat, danger. I release any and all fear and release any and all threats around losing my humanity. I have choice. I have freedom. I have choice. I have freedom. I am grounded and connected and safe. I am grounded and connected and 100% safe on this planet. This amazing, beautiful, fantastic planet of ours. It is fun to be a human. It is fun to be a human. I am always safe and divinely guided. I am always safe and divinely guided and protected, and part of the whole at all times. So we talk in kinesiology about Father Sun. We need sunshine, we need fresh air. The energy comes down from Father Sun, and we ground ourselves with Mother Earth. That connection, Father Sun to Mother Earth, helps to keep us centered and grounded and at peace. It's why we need the earth, it's why we need our planet, it's why we need fresh air and greenery and exercise and love and friendship. Helps to keep us grounded, helps to keep us safe. I feel, but I do not absorb the energy of others. I feel, but I do not absorb the energy of others. I feel, but do not absorb the energy of others. It is fun to be a human. It is safe on the planet. It is safe to be me. Truth, freedom, safety. Truth, freedom, safety. Truth, freedom and safety. Are you listening to your inner guides recently? Or has there been so much franticness and stress and trauma that has shut down? I was listening to a historian this morning, and he was talking about cane farmers who live part of their life wealthy just after the harvest and part of their life extremely poor as they're running out of money. And they did an IQ test before and after the harvest, and the IQ went up 14 points after the harvest when the fear of lack, the fear of the lack of money, the fear disappeared. So simply having enough money to get by consistently allows our IQ to be happier and more alive and more vibrant. Interesting. 14 points. It is fun to be a human. It is fun to be a human. It is fun to be a human. And there's been more studies released since 2019, but more again recently, that show that fluoride lowers the IQ of children, and they've demonstrated that between 3 and 4 years old. So purifying that water, getting the fluoride out of our water, helps to raise the IQ of our children, helps to keep us alive and noticing the world around us. Okay, so raising that vibration, 999, 999, 999. It is fun to be a human. It is safe to be a human. We are vibrant human beings. $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, $9.99. It is fun to be a human. It is safe to be a human. I am grounded as a human. Take care, everyone. Have a fabulous day. Bye.